Hey everyone, Sarah from Easy English Club. I am going to do a different kind of lesson today. Somebody came up with a word and I described it for them. I thought, oh no, I'll set this to a video. Okay, so if you haven't already, guys, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button too. Today's lesson, British English pronunciation of the word Pennyworth, what it means and how to use it in a sentence. You know what I'm going to ask you to do, my lovelies. Give me the thumbs up. Everybody loves a thumbs up. If you find the video useful, it helps our videos. Okay, on with the lesson. British English pronunciation of the word Pennyworth with meanings and example sentences. Pennyworth. It's actually a verb. No, excuse me. It's actually a noun. And a noun is a word that us Brits use to describe people, places, and things. So that's what a noun is. Now, it's also an idiom. An idiom is what we call small phrases. We use them all the time in English. They're like small phrases, generally old, and they have a certain meaning to them, and I'll give that to you as well. Okay, there's three meanings to the word Pennyworth. It can mean something really small, something tiny. For example, say you're following a recipe and it calls for some salt. You can say it many ways, but using the word Pennyworth, you can say, put a penny's worth of salt in it. You can also say, use a tinge of salt, add a smidgen of salt. Lots of different ways, guys. It means a small amount, like a tiny amount. Next meaning is like a contribution. And what I mean by that is it's an unwanted contribution. For example, you can say, I know you guys have discussed it already, but I'm going to add my 2 pennies worth. Basically, it means it's an unwanted contribution to conversation. Third meaning, bargain. A bargain is something that you get for cheap. So an example sentence of using the word Pennyworth could be, I went to the shops yesterday, got myself a penny's worth of sweets, penny's worth of treats, something like that. So there you go, guys. 3 meanings to the word Pennyworth. And also it's an idiom. Hope you found it useful. Come see us on the Easy English Facebook page, the group. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. And the thumbs up, of course, my lovelies. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.